You're not addicted to food, you're addicted to artificial ingredients. The artificial ingredients that are added to ultra-processed foods are highly addictive substances. Don't confuse this with whole food. Meat, eggs, fruits, and vegetables, most people are not overeating these things when they claim that they're addicted to food. What you are overeating are the cookies and the cakes and the ice cream and all of these hyper palatable food-like ultra-processed items that have an abundance of chemicals in them that hijack your brain. Those chemicals are what lead you down the road of addictive behaviors. They also do quite a number on your gut microbes, which also can contribute to cravings and desires for these food-like items. But these are not nutritious whole foods. Those are not the foods that are going to create addictive behaviors, because when you eat a whole foods diet, your hormones, your neurotransmitters, and your gut microbes all behave in a normal and proper manner. So it's not going to lead to addictive type activity. When you have addictive behaviors around food, it is a twofold problem. You are consuming ultra-processed foods, more than likely, that's a majority of your diet. So you're getting repeated exposure to these hyper-palatable foods with artificial ingredients that create abnormalities in your hormonal and neurotransmitter behavior, which causes this obsessive thought process and the addictive behaviors. The second part of the equation is because you're consuming an ultra-processed diet, you are undernourished. You're not getting all of the vitamins and minerals and other micronutrients, enzymes, and proper macronutrients, healthy protein, carbs, and fats that will allow your body to function optimally. So you are in a chronic state of undernutrition or malnutrition. Even if you're eating in abundance, even if you are eating all day, and even if you are obese, you are undernourished if you have an ultra-processed food diet. This lack of nutrition creates food obsession and addictive behaviors because your body is constantly looking for opportunities to improve your nutrition. So it's going to continue to send hunger signals and create this food fixation for you, this food obsession, because you need nutrition for your body to work properly, and you're not getting them from your ultra-processed diet. So, once again, for those of you who feel like or have been diagnosed with food addiction or you suffer from food obsession, it is not food. It is food-like substances and artificial ingredients. Those are the things that are creating the addiction and the obsession. So how do you fix it? Abstain and replace those ultra-processed foods and artificial ingredients with whole foods that are nutrient dense and will give your body what it needs to function optimally. The whole foods that will balance out your hormones and improve and normalize your neurotransmitter behavior and help to give you a healthier gut microbe. These are the things that are necessary for managing addiction and obsession with food-like items. The last thing you need to account for is stress management. We can't forget the impact stress has on addiction. Persistent or chronic stress will make it exceedingly more difficult for you to overcome addictions. You must be able to implement effective stress management strategies and try to eliminate stress as much as possible in your life so that you will have the reserves necessary to overcome your addictions and your food fixation. When you're under a lot of stress, you are more likely to turn to those comfort foods, even if those foods are harmful for you and you're trying to abstain from them because of addictive and obsessive mindset. But you should always remember that no amount of eating is going to fix whatever's causing your stress. So that's not a good stress management technique, and that should be eliminated as much as possible. Let me know what you think about food obsession and food fixation. Is this something that you suffer from? And what kind of foods do you find that you get obsessed or addicted to? And if you've overcome this problem, what have you done to help you get past this issue so that other people can benefit from your experience? And don't forget to click the link in my bio to get your free gift, The 3 Reasons You're Sick and Overweight and How to Fix It. Thanks.